Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring Docker engine runs and your user can use Docker commands. This avoids permission errors. Once done, pick the exact image tag you need and explain why tags matter for reproducibility. Next, pull the image with Docker Pulso layers cache locally. If the image is private, log into the registry first. These steps get files ready and confirm network access, which speeds the next actions and prevents mid-process surprises. You now configure how the container behaves. Either write a Docker file to build or run the image directly with Docker run flags. Use P to map host ports and V to mount persistent storage. Explain why volumes keep data across restarts. Pass secrets or settings via env files for separation of concerns. Make sure to set a restart policy and resource limits to maintain reliability under load. These choices protect the host and keep uptime predictable. You finish by verifying the container is healthy. Use Docker PS to see running containers and Docker logs to inspect output. Docker Inspect reveals config details. Once verified, scale with Docker Compose or a container orchestrator to handle more traffic and make sure network and storage scale predictably. If something goes wrong, diagnose by checking the Docker daemon status, available disk space, and whether the host port is already in use. This single check resolves many common failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.